Hello everyone, today it's Ice King Videos, and today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Rabbit R1 if it crashes. So I can just plug this out and that will shut down, but in this example of a video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Rabbit R1. So first, you need to remove the SIM tray from your Rabbit R1. Now in the SIM tray, I can't see it, unfortunately the camera isn't showing it, but I'm going to turn on the flash for this. In here should be a button. That right there is a button. As you can see, I've got like a pin right here. And what we're going to be doing is we are going to be navigating to that button. Okay, so you have to put your pin like this, aiming towards the button like this. Then you need to press down like this. Okay, I've pressed down, and you can see the Rabbit R1 has now shut down, like that. So as you can see, it's just restarted. And there you go. You've just hard reset and shut down your Rabbit R1. So you just have to make sure that the pin is touching the black contact. It took me several attempts, but in the end, I got there. So anyways, once you've hard reset your Rabbit R1, you just close that up and put it back in and call it a day. So anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe.